Yeah.
and said, "Hey, just to let you know, it's not me."
Come on, Harry!
And he gave me his IP address.
Okay. So, but you know who it is.
If
I
you
know
want to
exactly
pick it
who
up,
it
you
is.
can
And I
catch it.
said that it was this person at the very first time. Because they first started posting right after my
Jared, been good!
Patterson! So you know I'm shooting video here. Who is it?
That's why I'm not stopping.
Okay, I'll turn it. When I turn it off, you can tell. Of course, I'm not going to turn it off. So.
Well, Smithers, this is really important.
Okay, well, just give me a second here. I'm going to keep shooting until Scotty Rob comes by. Come on, commuter!
All right,
Commuter!
Sean! Go, buddy!
Is that Timmer? Holy crap!